Ampere Flow Battery Speed AOD is an innovative Android application designed to help users monitor and manage their device's battery performance effectively. The app provides real-time information about battery charging and discharging rates, allowing users to optimize their device usage and extend battery life. With Ampere, users can view detailed statistics related to battery health, voltage, temperature, and capacity, ensuring they are informed about their device's power status. The application often features a sleek and intuitive interface, making it easy to access critical information at a glance. One of the standout features of Ampere is its ability to measure the actual charging speed of the device, helping users identify which chargers and cables work best for their needs. Additionally, the app may include analytical tools that track battery usage patterns over time, enabling users to make informed decisions about their power management. The AOD, Always On Display functionality, allows users to keep essential battery information visible even when the screen is off, ensuring they can monitor their battery performance without unlocking the device. Overall, Ampere Flow Battery Speed AOD is a valuable tool for anyone looking to maintain optimal battery health and performance on their Android devices.